Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video about how to set up a Google Custom Search Engine. What is a Google Custom Search Engine? It is a tool that enables the website owners to define their own search engine. The Google Custom Search Engine provides a simple form-based interface for building a domain-specific search engine with the Google Search Platform. So, if a website owner wants to create a search bar in their site that will return the results from website A, website B, and their own website, the Google Custom Search Engine can help them to reach this goal easily. The results the Google Custom Search Engine return will only be specifically from the website domains that you provide. By using this tool, you wouldn't need to code up how to crawl other sites and index each of them. Now, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and search for Google Custom Search Engine. Click on Custom Search Engine by Google. To use the Google Custom Search Engine, you have to have a Google account. Now let's assume you have it and sign into it. You will see this page. This is a page like the administrator for all your custom search engine. Now to create a new custom search engine, we click on New Search Engine. In this bar, you can type in the URLs that you want the websites that you want the result to come back from. So for example, if we want our result to come back from northwestjustice.org and also from lsntab.org, simply type in those two domains into the text box right here and then click on Create. Then you have successfully created your custom search engine. To see how it looks, click on Public URL. And this is how your custom search engine will look. For example, if you search for the keyword legal, you can find that all the results that are returning are from northwestjustice.org and also lsntab.org. Now, let's get the code implemented into your site. We click on Get Code, and you can see here's a script right here. All you have to do is to copy and paste the script into one of the div in your site. Now, let's make a quick web page for the custom search engine that you just created. We can look at the HTML example right here and copy the code, go to your desktop, open up a notepad and paste it. Now I'm going to delete the unnecessary things. So this is the div that we want our code to be in. We copy the code and then put it into this div. Then our quick web page has been successfully made. We save it as test.html on the desktop and save. Let's try it. Open it with Google Chrome. You can see this is the custom search engine bar text box that you have just created. If we search for maybe mobile, we can see that the results are coming back from lsntab. Many results from lsntab and some of the results from Northwest Justice. You can definitely also stylize your custom search engine by clicking on Look and Feel. And here are the different templates that you can see. Here are the demonstrating bar. And so, for example, if we want to change it into 2 column, press on this one and save. And we want our themes to be different. We want it in the shiny template. You can see that our custom search engine has changed. Same, we click on save. And now when you search for any keyword, let's try it. You can see that the result page has changed into a new theme. Besides this, after 4 to 5 hours of the creation of your custom search engine, your custom search engine will be implemented with the query suggestion feature. So I'll show you one of the custom search engine I have. You can see that, hold on, go back to layout, overlay. You can see that the queries that I type in will have the query suggestions that Google constructed for us. It's really convenient to use Google Custom Search Engine to build a search bar in your own site. And that is it for the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.